bed. One thing for certain, it's 5 and Big Red Jones is headed home.